so let's change our path back to sys. There we go. CD games. Okay, creating directory, done. Now, how do we copy? Copy. Copy file from, copy file to. F0 CT star. File to sys games. Go. Override each, confirm each. No, just go. Games has a mismatched wildcard. Well, I guess we're going to have to put star there. Huh? All right, are we copying? Oh, we're copying all right. Oh, it's copying. All right, I guess it's done. All right, so let's change our path to sys games. And there we are. Now, I swear when I created that, I made it capitalized, right? So I guess it's all how you specify, right? So let's check our files. Just go with it. There they are. All right, so we have rats.font, but we don't have rats.run. We have Holland. Oh, yeah, we do, right there at the top. All right, so let's run from this path, rats.run. Okay, so we've got this menu. It's rats 9.2, newer. Now let's hit go. Oh, it's working! It's working! It's We did it! First time. We did it. It's a newer version. I'd like the older one. These are fonts, huh? Yeah, sure enough. All right, so oh, we're going. That go button, man. Wow. Just kind of let it go. Oh, I see one. So where's the fire? What, the firing happens automatically? Because I'm not doing anything. It's just playing by itself. Wow. It just follows the walls. We can redirect him. So I guess if we redirect him, I see. So you hit the arrows, you redirect, but then you gotta hit, enter doesn't do anything, but go does. So you gotta have a go button. If you don't have a go button, well, I guess you just can't play without a go button. All right, what if I hit finish? So you think you can't escape? Beware of our next encounter. My gosh, look at this. It knows the current year. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Wait, this one works now. Oh, wow. Kill yourself by running into a wall. But if you hit the go button, you're just on autopilot. It's like autoplay mode. Enter your name, stupid, and press go. Cute. Oh my gosh, is that what the other one said? All right, so evidently we have different versions. Who knows?